Welcome to Rebecca Bitzer and Associates. We are a group of registered dietitians that's dedicated to helping you enhance your life through personalized nutrition and lifestyle changes. We want you to feel confident in the food choices that you're making without feeling deprived. So our goal is to help you make food simple again through education and coaching.
When it comes to nutrition, we understand that there can be a sea of misinformation out there. That is why we have gone through rigorous training to be at the top of our field. Each of our dietitians specialize in their unique area to provide the most effective nutrition counseling. We really understand your unique circumstances and challenges.
When you pair with one of our trusted nutrition professionals, you will feel empowered to make lifestyle changes that are sustainable. Our team will provide you with the tools and support you need to feel motivated and keep you on the right track.
We will help you implement tasty, healthy, and affordable nutrition solutions into your everyday routine.
You have the power to make changes to your health and wellness.
And at Rebecca Bitzer and Associates, we are here to guide you along every step of this journey.
Call us and visit us today. You can contact us at admin@rbitzer.com or give us a call at 301-474-2499. We're looking forward to seeing you.